Welcome to eRobo Labs. So in today's video we are going to create another object. So we'll be creating a table today. So let's see how it works. So for creating a table we'll require a cube. So we'll add a cube and we'll use the tool transform. So using transform tool you can compress the cube, you can reduce its size. So now we'll view it from the top angle. So now we'll increase the size of this cube. And let us once again view it from the front. Yeah, so this size is okay. So now using this arrow, once it turns yellow, we can move it to the right and left side. So we'll move it towards the right. Now again we'll add a cube. So now we'll be creating the legs for the table. So for this you will require 4 legs. So now let us view it from the top. We'll reduce its size. Now let us view it from the front. Back to the top view. Now let us move it towards the right. Now we'll follow the same procedure for the next 3 legs. Again compressing, reducing the size, viewing it from the front, enlarging the size. We'll only enlarge the size and not move its angle. So let us move this one also towards the right side and place it on the top side, and this one at the bottom edge. Same for the third leg, reducing the size. Back to the front view. Increasing the width, moving it towards the So this one is a bit shaky. Now again the fourth leg, viewing it from the top, reducing its size. We'll check if this fits the box or not. Yep, it is done. So now back to the front view. We'll enlarge its length, and now we'll move it towards the left hand side. So now back to the top view. We'll follow the same procedure. We'll move this towards the left hand side, as we'll be placing them on the edges now. Let us take the base cube in the center, back to the top view. We'll move it a bit upward, and then okay, so this leg is not proper, so we'll have to delete this selection. So for deleting this selection, this one is already selected as we are currently editing on this one. So all we have to do is go to the scene and delete selection. Yeah, so this one is gone. So now we'll have to make another leg. So we'll move this towards the right and add a cube. Now let us just quickly create this fourth leg. Back to the front view, we'll enlarge the size. And now let us move it towards the upper side. So now back to the base cube, we'll take it in the center. Now let us adjust this on the edges. Let us properly put them on the edges. So currently this shapes, we are viewing it from the top view. So now back to the front view. Now let us pull it downwards. Now we'll check if this touches the graph line. If it does, if it crosses the graph line, we'll stop it. Okay, so this much part is extra, so we'll reduce it and place it properly on the edge. Now same procedure with the next leg. So here clearly we have to reduce its size as it is a bit larger. Okay, so we have to increase the size a bit. And now yeah, so now this one is perfect. So now let's move towards the next edge. So again we'll shift this okay. So here also we need to reduce the size only a bit. So this one is also done. So now let us move towards the fourth leg. So here we'll have to increase the length of this leg. So here we'll have to shift it a bit inside. We'll put them in proper edges. So see, all of them are properly on the edges. So this is how you create a table. So this is a square one. You can also create the same with a cylinder. So that's it for today's video. Have a good day. Thank you for watching eRobo Labs.